Yolanda, what we gonna do today? Today, guys, we're gonna learn how to make this eye look right here. This sexy eye look right here, you know? You feel it, you feel it. I'm feeling it, because, am I wrong? Is it not sexy? Is it not? Nah. But anyways, shout out to Amparito too, though, because she's been requesting it for the longest. And this video's, it's past due. It's past due, so this was for you, Amparito. But yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then let's keep it rolling and just keep on watching. Okay. What am I doing? Let's just play. Let's just roll with this. Okay, so I already did my brows. So first I'm going to start off with my ShapeTape concealer all over my eyelid just as a base. That way it's just, you know, an even color. And I'm going to blend that out all over with my Vasanti, I don't know, it's a concealer brush. Just pretty much do this all over my eyelid. Okay, now I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier powder. And I'm just gonna grab, actually I'm just gonna grab a freaking brush and just dab it on. Whoops. Okay, well anyways, I'm gonna dab a sponge, much better, since I almost fucked up my fucking camera and shit. And then I'm just gonna, before it creases though, make sure you blend, or before you put the powder, make sure there's no creases, because you don't want freaking eyelids with creases, and then it's just not gonna look that great, you know? So you just want it all smooth and some shit like this, something like this. And then I'm going to just brush it out. Pretty much just with a new brush. Any big fluffy brush. Okay, so now we're ready to start. I'm first gonna use a transition color, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette and Soft Glam palette. So both these right here. And I'm gonna go in first with the Dusty Rose, this color right here. It's like a purpley color, and I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's oh my god, I can never say their name. Royal and Langnickel. I don't know if you could see it, but it's a crease brush, and I'm gonna do that all over my eyelid, or all over the crease right here. That's gonna give it that transition color, and I want this to be my transition color because it's gonna be a smoky eye, so I'm not really trying to like have too much color in it other than dark gray and black. So blend. Now I'm going in with the Sultry palette, the Slate, this color right here. And I'm going just right there, but this time I'm using a different brush. This time I'm using the Morphe M573 brush, and this is like a little angled tapered brush, I don't know, but going in again. Let's see, right here in the crease. And I'm bringing that also in the corner. And you know what? I'm going in again with the pink one because I want a little, or the purple, the Dusty Rose. You know the Dusty Rose, that color. And a little higher though. Okay, now I'm going in with another flatter brush. This is what? Oh, Luxie 239 Precision Shader. So I'm gonna use Nor. Again, the black one in the Sultry palette. And I'm gonna lightly first start to pack it on the center of my lid. And then start spreading it out. Okay, see? And then start off lightly with a little bit, not a lot, because you can always add more. You can't erase once you go dark. Oh, you know, it's hard to go back, so and I'm gonna keep packing it. But I'm also gonna use the brush that comes with the palette already, and I'm gonna try to buff it out and diffuse it towards the gray. And now I'm gonna go in with the brush that I used for the gray and blend with the gray. Yeah, I need more black. And I'm going in with the Morphe R39 brush, and this is a little more flatter but still angled. And I'm going in with these two colors right here, just mixing these two so I can mix it in the crease. I'm also gonna go in again with the pink, just right here. Not sure if you can see the color, but it's starting to come out. I promise I won't look, or you won't look like you got punched in the eye. Believe me. Just wait on it. And you know what? I'm actually gonna use the Bloom, this color right here, and add a little on top of that pink, of that purple. Okay, and now I'm actually going to clean it up with a wipe. So with this, I'm just going to probably use some wipes you trust. These they ain't doing the job. Anyways, anyway, cleaning that shit up. Anyway, okay. So now I'm going to add some shimmer, or at least I like my inner corner to pop. So I am going to go in with the Cyborg color. It's this one right here. Yeah, you see that? On my inner corner. And I'm going in with the Morphe E36 brush. It's just this, a tiny little one right here. And oh, you see? And I'm gonna add a little on the corner up here too. Okay. Then we're gonna add some lashes. And I'm going to use today the Baddie B Extra Lashes from Jenny69. They're extra, but they're awesome. But before that, my dork self almost forgot to do the liner. And since we gotta do it. And I'm using the Essence eyeliner pen, waterproof in black. Or what color is it? Yeah, 01. I'm guessing that's black. And I'm just gonna line the top. So I decided to just do a voiceover for the eyeliner part because I honestly didn't like how it came out. I hated how it just came out in general. So just watch. You can see how I did it, but I hated the whole thing. I hated cleaning it. I hated the length, but hey, the concealer kind of worked, which you'll see in a few, but just watch me struggle. Yeah, just struggle to try to correct my mistakes. And I'm saying some shit right here, but I can't remember. But anyways, here comes the concealer. And it's tricky, it's hard, it can be hard. So just try your best. Just try your best, cause so look at me, I'm fucking up and I'm just trying to correct it. So just do the best you can. It'll be all right. Just try. And you'll be good. Okay. Okay. So that's the eyeliner. And now we're going to go add the eyelash. Anyways, now before we do put on our lash, I'm going in with an eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes, put on mascara, and then put on the lashes. So that's what I'm going to do, okay? Cool. Okay, I'm going in with my Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to use a dark tone. I got this at CVS. And it's cool because it's dual-ended, so for the clear, you know, when you don't got that black liner, you want to go for the more natural look. And the dark one when you do have liner, you know, to cover those spots up. So it looks like all black. And that's what I need right now, you know? That's what we need right now. So I'm gonna load that shit on my lashes. And ooh, extra. Do you not see what I'm talking about? When she says extra, these are extra. Okay, well, now I'm pretty much just gonna go in and I'm gonna just add underneath right now and touch it up when I do my face, but just so I can show you guys, you know. But I'm gonna go in with the silver and the Noir, the slate and the Noir again, these two same colors. First the silver, then the black, just to like blend it, you know. And I'm gonna use this little brush right here. It's from Luxie. It's a mini tapered 121 brush. And again in the inner corner. Ooh! Okay, so I'm gonna go finish my other eye and then finish my whole face, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. like this look is good for when you go out. You feeling sexy, or at least you want to feel sexy. This is the look. That smoky eye look, you know? The inner corner pops. Los atrae, they attract guys. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz. If not, it's all good. Just do whatever you want. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys.